Yes, hello guys, hi there, wherever you are. Uh, Today I want to take you through the statistics, how in a precise way, like you can fill the statistics table in case you are given the statistical data. And now, most cases, it always comes in our exams. It appears maybe we are discussing, but we always take a lot of time. We can even spend more than 5 minutes, yet you can deal with this number within a few hours. So today I want to take you through how you can use a calculator to fill the statistical table in case you are given the statistical data within a short time. Please, before you watch this video, please subscribe, like it, and also share to other students, to other platforms, so that our fellow members, our fellow friends, our fellow students, and other people also to know such a skill, because we need to pass as a group, we need also to excel as a group, we need also to succeed as a group. But without wasting time, allow me to first show you a sample of question we are going to follow up, so that we can so that we can so that I can show you in a precise way, in an easy way, how you can fill a table in case you are given such data. In case you are given such data, but you come up with a table. Much as here they never told us to draw the table, but of course, before you fill such questions, as a student, it asks you, or it requires you to first draw the table before you find the minmark, the standard deviation, the mode, the median, the interquartile range, the sixth and eighth decile range, the 60th and 90th percentile range. So there's no way you can say that really I want to avoid. I do all these questions, all these one you feel without drawing a table. You can't. But in our interest today, I want to show a skill you can use in an exam to fill the table within a less or a short time, and you finish that number and you maybe go to other questions. So this table I'm using this question and with its solution, much as in my interest today, I want to show a skill how they fill this table, this column, how they fill this column, how they fill this column, and how they fill this column, and also to come up with the summation also. So also I'll show you how also you can use still the very calculator also to calculate the mean, to calculate the standard deviation, mode, and other values, whatever they are asked in the question. You can only use a calculator respective or regardless. You have calculated and just use a calculator to confirm it, and you confirm other values just using a calculator, members. So make sure that your calculator is near you so that you follow up these procedures in a simple way, in a simple manner. So when we go back to our question, they gave us a question with the marks in percentage, and here it is filled in a table, which this column, which we can consider it as a class. Then the number of students also they have given them to us, and now this number of students, they are going to act as our frequency column. We are going to use it as our frequency column. So I want at this time, we are assuming that these values are not filled, 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 and we are assuming, or even the sum, the column of the sum, also these values, this one and this one, also we are assuming that they are not filled. So please pick a paper, copy this question, and also you try it out after this video. But don't forget to subscribe, like it, and share to other members. Also, we excel as a group. Let's start. So this is our class. This is our class. And the question is, how can you find the x? You just pick this value, the 20, for example, you're going to pick now for this column, for this row, you're going to pick 20 plus 29. Then you get a value, then you divide it by 2. So whatever value you are going to sum up this, you divide it by 2, you feed it this way. You are going to get this, you sum up with this, you divide it by 2, you get the value. So it is, this x is acting as this x is acting as the median mark in this what, in the column, because you get this, you add this, you divide by 2, it means you are like as if getting the median, and which is the median mark within this column. It acts as a median mark. So when you come here to our calculator, for those who say that the Casio calculators can't manage to do calculations, members, today we are going to learn a skill, the way how you can use your calculator to answer a question within a less time. So you first come and you open on our calculator, click it on. Then for example, I want to show you how which value was, how they got this 24.5. I told you you get 20 plus 29, get 20 plus 29, get the answer. This is giving us 49. Then that answer, you just press divide by 2. Is giving us 24.5, which is that. So for this column, you can use that skill. You fill up to, you fill the whole column, this column. Then for F, you just copy it the way it is, just copy it, and also you paste following the what, the class or the marks given to you. So my major interest is how you can fill this fx, and also you fill this f squared x, and also if it is possible, wherever you are, you can draw here an extra table, which is actually an extra column which will replace x squared. I want to show in a precise way how you can fill this column, this one, and the x squared column within a short time. Let us come back to our calculator. So you come to our calculator, you are going to place alpha button is there, you can see it. Is there, it has come. Then alpha, f is where? F is here. This button on turn button, you have seen the f. If you press alpha, brings f. Then I press again alpha, I press x. Then I press alpha, I press column, this one. You can see columns. Because this alpha, for whatever color is in pink, that color is for alpha alone. You can see. Wherever you are seeing a pink color, sorry, yeah, some kind of pink color, it's an alpha assigning. So I'll press fx, then the next figure will be, in case it was here in the middle, it was in the middle, it was what? There was another column called x squared column, which I told you to draw here an extra column here. So I'll come here on my calculator, I press again alpha, then I press again x, I press squared, press again alpha, column, I press alpha, F, press alpha, x squared. So for this one, for fx, the column is how you can fill the fx column within a short time. Then the x squared will be a column for x squared, but much as here they never showed it, here they never showed it in this column. Then for fx squared, it is for this column. So we are within a short period of time, without for you pressing, come here, you press this times this, you get this. Again, you press this times this, you get this. This times this, you get this. This times this, you get this. Guys, will be some kind wasting time. But here we go. So you press, after entering here, assigning them the what? The calculator, this button, calculate. Then it ask you for the frequency value. Frequency value I'm going to put there 4. I press, then you come here, you press equals. Then you come here and you insert to ask you for the x value, which you insert there 24.5 to give you the answer 90. So you can see it has given you fx as 98. When you look at our table, fx, it is what? 98. If you get this times this, you get 98. Within the same time, just come here, you press equals to give you the x squared value. Much as in our table here, they never included the x squared value, much as does not carry marks, but also you can put it there for extra marks in case they are awarding marks. So you can see that this value is for x squared. Then you just come again without pressing another button, just press equals again to bring for you fx squared. So fx squared is this value. You can just see it is 2401. What is in the table? So it is 2401. Then after finishing that, after finishing this and x value, without instead of first calculating this, then again you repeat this one, you are just feeding it them like this so that it will be easy for us not to make any errors. So, and I come also, just come here, you press solve to ask you for the frequency value. Then I come on, my second frequency value is 6. I come here, I insert 6, I press equals to ask me the x value. The x value, I will come here, I will insert 34.5. It will be 34.5 equals the fx value. The fx value is 207. The x squared value is that one. The fx squared value is that one. When we come at our table and we compare, it is the one. You can see it is 27. The x squared matches, they included it, they never included it. Is there also the fx squared value also is there. For this one, they rounded it off because ours it is 7141.5. For this one, they rounded off to what? To 0 dp. Then after filling in that, then within the rest time, just come and press solve. What is the next value? It is 2. It is 2. Then for x, 44.5. So I just come here to ask me for f is 2 equals x value 44.5. It will give me 89. You can see the 89 is there. The fx x squared is that. Fx squared is that. You can see it's the same. Then the second value, without pressing any other button, just come here again, you press solve to ask you for f value. Since the next f value I'm going to use 5, I come here, I insert 5, you press equals, the x value is 54.5, just press equals, it will give you fx, it will give you x squared, fx squared. Again you press solve, you enter again another frequency value which is 8, which is 7. You enter 7 equals to ask you the x value, which is 64.5. To give you fx, to give you x squared, to give you fx squared. Just keep on playing around fx. After reaching on that value of fx squared, you come here and you press what? Solve. It will ask you for again the next frequency value, which is 8. Come here, insert 8, insert 74.5, you get fx, x squared, fx squared. Solve. Sorry, calculate. The next frequency value is 5. My table is 5 with its square. Then it will ask you the x value, which is 84.5. To give fx, x squared, fx squared. Solve. The next frequency value it will ask you, you substitute it to be 3 equals, to ask you the x value, which is 94.5 equals fx, to give you the answer of fx. You press again the equals to give you x squared. You press again the equals to give you the fx squared. And that is the precise way you can fill this table, this column, and this column without making errors. So after filling in this, calculating this one, and calculating this one, and calculating this one, then the cumulative frequency, it is a matter of adding this one. So just come here, you insert here 4, then on the 4 you insert this one to give you 10, then on the 10 again you add 2 to give you 12, on the 12 you add this one to give you 17, 24, you get this, you add this one, get 32, get 32 plus 5, 37, 37 plus 3, 40. And this is the what? The frequency, the total frequency, the sum. Then for when you don't use a calculator to calculate this, we made a previous video. How about in a precise way how you can get the summation without making any error? Because most of the time, where the student loses marks in the next coming questions, because where they will be involved in the summation of fx squared, fx, and f is about the computation here and the summation here. They normally mix things, they normally mix digits, and maybe since you are in a hurry, since you are on pressure, maybe you are in an exam, you end up pressing a wrong digit, which will give you a wrong value. So there was a previous video which we made, and you go on our YouTube channel, you find it there. Please, you watch it and you learn how you can get these values. So thank you, members. That is how you can fill a statistical table without wasting time, in a precise way. Thank you so much. Thank you. Please subscribe, like the video, share the video to other friends, to other colleagues, to our friends. We excel as a team, we succeed as a team, because it's bad to pass alone. Let us pass as a team. Please share the link, share the video, like it, subscribe it. Wait for the next incoming techniques on how to use a calculator in different ways. Thank you so much.